Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. I've been getting a lot of requests on Tesla, just to kind of see where I think the price is going and what's going on. I'm gonna be pretty honest. I think we're going back to 566. Everything looks pretty bearish. Look at the month chart. Where's my reverse MACD? Bearish. Stoke still trailing down. On the weekly, we're actually about to break on the bear side. And we've been pretty consistent on that weekly trend since peaks of January. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised that we actually just created another lower high or higher low up here at 713 and heading down. I mean, you guys can even see on the daily chart. I mean, this is a pretty easy chart to look at, honestly. I mean, we tested down, just crossed. We actually just had on the day, you guys had that I mean, a lot of people call it death cross, right? But it's just when the 50 MA crosses under the 200 MA. It's not, every single ticker is different. I mean, it really just depends on how it reacts. So I mean, I would have to go back and see when was the last time it actually crossed, when it went under, right? Let's see, when was the last time it actually crossed on the low side? So right, let me see. It's been on the low. I mean, it crossed on the low a couple of times, but again, it does look like it's gonna happen again, 100%. So that's definitely what's going on right now. Like, as soon as we get that cross, all I'm looking for is sells right now on Tesla, especially. And let's look at, I mean, we fully closed a bear candle under previous resistance of 654. So I think for the most part, we are going to be trailing down, especially on the weekly. Look at that. Look at that beautiful close. Well, not close under, but it's a close over that 654, whatever, 655. And we're about to hit on the low side of that reverse MACD trigger. And last time that happened, we went down from highs of 664 to lows of 560. We're basically around that same price again. So, you know, don't be surprised if this next upcoming week you see a big candle like back in the week of May 10th. I do not be surprised if you see a big candle like this, just a big drop all the way down to 560, and possibly a retouch of this 580 level. But I think we're going back to 566. That's what I think what's going to happen. It's been pretty consistent. I mean, you've been bouncing off this level for a while. So, I mean, if it breaks to the upside or low side, I think it's going to happen. It has until like October to break upwards or low or on the downside to see if we're going to keep trailing down or towards the upside, right? But again, the monthly looks bullish. I mean, sorry, the monthly looks bearish. And we're actually, for this month, actually creating stronger pushes towards the downside. And yeah, I think Tesla's going down. I think Tesla's going down to 566, which is this previous resistance right here. I'd be perfectly comfortable either shorting Tesla right now or buying puts or whatever. Again, you know, do whatever you want. It's your own money. But I think easily, I see Tesla going back to 566. I wouldn't say 100%, but there's like an 80-90% chance that I think it goes back to 560-ish. I'll see you guys later.